Well, hello. My name is Mike Jacka with WiscoREIA, the Minnesota Real Estate Investors Association, and I'm also the developer of the WiscoREIA website. And I've also 25 plus years of experience as a real estate investor, from doing rehabs, being a landlord, wholesaling, doing all kinds of different creative seller financing, subject tos, lease options, contract for deeds, all that stuff, as well as doing hard money lending and buying and selling notes. So I've got plenty of experience in the industry, and I also been running the Minnesota REIA for the last 15 plus years. And we've developed a system for our members, and because I've also developed a website for you guys over at WiscoREIA, Jason invited me to come out and speak to you guys and share with you guys the systems that we've developed and we use back here in Minnesota, how you and your members can take advantage of them. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to quickly and accurately estimate repairs, because that's the basis of everything you need to be able to do, is how to be able to go through a property and get to that right number as quickly as possible and have an accurate number without wasting 2, 3, 4 hours at a property and trying to figure out the values and then dragging a contractor with you. Now, we need the contractors when we're going to actually buy the properties, but when we're just out there doing our preliminaries, we can't be dragging a contractor with us, because that's going to be a waste of their time. And after 1 or 2 properties and they realize that we're not going to be buying all the properties that we're looking at, they're not going to be coming with us anymore. So we need to learn how to do this on our own. So the system I'm going to share with you guys is, first of all, it's a 2-part system. So I'm actually going to be out in Wisconsin for several days, hitting on the 12th. I'm going to be hitting Eau Claire. On the 13th, I'll be in Appleton, and on the 14th, I'll be in Kenosha. And at those 3 different meetings, I'm going to cover the estimating repairs process, how to quickly go through and accurately estimate the repairs. And we're going to show you the methodology of it, so how we can get to the same number the contractor is going to get to, but in a different process, in a different manner. And that will be the basis of everything that we're going to be doing on Saturday the 16th. And actually on the 16th, that's going to be a combined workshop for all 3 of the different locations. So the 12th in Eau Claire, 13th in Appleton, the 14th in Kenosha, and then on the 16th, I'll be at the Hampton Inn in Grafton, Wisconsin, where that day we're going to take everything we learned on those 3 different nights at the 3 different locations, the estimated repairs, but then how to go one step further and actually construct your offers, analyze the deals, negotiate with the sellers to find the right offers for the sellers, and then how to actually make your offers. Now, because I've developed the system for WiscoREIA and as well for WiscoREIA, there's plenty of tools that are available for you guys already, and that's what I want to share with you guys, is how to use the tools that are already available to simplify and streamline the process so that you can get out there and actually start making offers. Now, I mean, you hear some investors in some areas and some markets where they don't know how to use the right tools and the right systems. I'm hearing that they're making on average anywhere from 20 to 40 offers just to get 1 offer accepted. And that's just unacceptable. I mean, once you learn how to do it properly and streamline the system, you're going to be able to cut that in half, into thirds, into quarters. A lot of my students are, on average, I'd say probably they're getting 1 offer accepted per 5 to 10 on the outside if you're in a really, really hot market, because your offers, the way we construct the offers is going to be a lot different as well. But we're analyzing the properties correctly and quickly and efficiently, so not wasting as much time. So that's what I'll share with you guys on Saturday, is that whole process. I mean, we're going to go through how to find the after repaired value. And so if you don't have access to the MLS, I'm going to share with you guys some free online tools. Now, they take a little work and a little bit of digging, but the resources are out there, and most people are not familiar with them or aware of them. So I'm going to share with you guys how to do that. Plus, with the tools that are already available through you guys through the WiscoREIA website, I'm going to show you guys how to use that to get the repair estimates, how to calculate out your after repaired value, the ARV, get to your MAO, or that cash offer on the properties. And then I'm going to share with you guys a seller net sheet. It's a tool that is going to revolutionize how you guys are actually analyzing and looking at and negotiating with the sellers as well. Because it's kind of modeled after what the realtors use for their seller net sheet, but it's designed more specifically for real estate investors to help us actually get the seller in the right mind frame, so that when we are making our offers, we've already got them prepped to what our offers are going to be, and we got them thinking about what their net is going to be rather than what the asking price is, because that's a dramatic difference, and we're going to discuss that on Saturday, those differences and how we can present this to the sellers so it makes sense, which is going to dramatically improve your odds or your acceptance ratio for when you're all making offers. So I look forward to seeing you guys out in Wisconsin.